Welcome to the Tech Security Alert channel, and we hope to be ramping up security videos starting this week. Hope that you'll enjoy the content as we are rebranding this channel. I've not been very active, but we are going to have much more activity and have daily videos on everything security. You are a T-Mobile customer, then you should be worried. T-Mobile last week has had a severe security breach. It's a big one. So according to the hackers that have info, 100 million accounts. According to T-Mobile, 40 million. Now, what's bad? It's everything. Unfortunately, when you ask for a new smartphone and an account, these companies, they actually do credit checks. So that means that they ask for a lot of info on you, and so that means that you could have everything, actually all the data they have on you is now stolen. That could include your driver's license, social security number, of course everything they need to ask for credit or do bad things with your accounts. So one of the first things that T-Mobile has done is reset the PIN numbers, because one of the things, of course, that has been stolen is all the SIM card info and so on, the EIMEI information on your phone, EIME. So this is really bad, and T-Mobile should be contacting you. You should take every possible measures to protect yourself. It's very important. Change your passwords for your accounts, and if you've used the same password, by the way, on T-Mobile and everything else, then do change all your passwords everywhere. Do get the free, because T-Mobile is offering 2 years of free credit checks to make sure that your security of your credit is maintained. Do apply for that and use that 2 years free of security checks. It's extremely important. Even better, if you're not about or don't think you're going to ask for any credit soon, why not just lock down your credit? So like that, no one can actually, borrow or try to borrow something off of your own credit. So it's extremely important to stay safe and make sure that you do every step that T-Mobile asks you to do, and do keep track of your credit to make sure that nothing bad is happening. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.